This is the sound of voices that were heard in the woods of Oregon at 3:07 a.m. Now I hiked up to a ridgeline and set up camp for the night. It was a cold, clear night with a beautiful view of the stars. As I was laying there trying to sleep, I started to hear voices in the forest. I couldn't make out what they were saying, but it sounded like they were talking about how cold it was and that they needed to get out of the forest. I started recording on my phone, and then I heard a voice say, "Leave now." I sat up and looked around, but I couldn't see anyone. The voices got louder and closer, and I could hear them talking about setting up camp and making a fire. I started to feel a sense of urgency, and I thought to myself, get out of there. So I packed up my things and headed down the mountain. As I was walking, I could hear the voices getting closer and closer, and then all of a sudden, stop. Don't move. I froze in my tracks, and I could hear the voices right behind me. I didn't know what to do. Then one of the voices said, "Get on the ground." I don't know if this is part of the story or not, but I started to feel something brush against my leg, and I couldn't help but scream.